Olive trees are incredible plants. They provide beauty, nutrition, and sustainability. Today, let's explore why you should grow Olea Europaea, the olive tree. First, they're resilient and drought-tolerant. This makes them ideal for various climates. Imagine having a tree that thrives with minimal water, perfect for regions with water shortages. Olive trees also have a rich history. They are symbolic in many cultures. For thousands of years, they've provided food and oil. Growing one connects you to that tradition. Next, let's discuss health benefits. Olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with healthy fats and antioxidants. Imagine cooking with oil that's both delicious and nutritious. Another fantastic reason to grow olive trees is the centuries-long lifespan. Some can live for over 1,000 years. This can become a special family legacy. Now, let's cover the growing process. First, select a sunny location. Olive trees love bright, direct sunlight. Then, prepare well-draining soil. They don't like waterlogged roots. Next, plant your olive tree. Dig a hole twice the size of the root ball. Place it carefully, cover it with soil, and water generously. Ensure you give it a good start. After planting, maintenance is simple. Trim branches to promote airflow. Use organic fertilizers for healthy growth. Water moderately. They prefer dry conditions once established. In time, the tree will bear fruit. Olives can be harvested in late summer. Making your own olive oil is a rewarding experience. Fresh, homemade oil outshines store-bought options. So let's summarize why growing Olea Europaea is a smart choice. They are drought-resistant, historically significant, and health-boosting. Plus, they can live for generations. Ready to start your journey with olive trees? Don't wait. Grab a young olive tree today. Transform your garden while enjoying many benefits. Happy planting!